wanna get freaky over here and I'm freaky on you. Said I wanna get freaky and show you what I do. I said that I wanna get freaky on your body too. Said I wanna get freaky all the way next to you. Next to you, I wanna get freaky. Freaky when I rubbing on your body. People say that girl you is a hottie. I wanna go and freak up on your body. I wanna go and freak out on you. Oh yes, I'm doing things I wanna do. Freaking on your body just for me. It's just for you because I keep it true. I keep it true. I wanna get a freaky. Freaky, I wanna get a freaky. Hey, I wanna get so freaky. I wanna get the freaky up on you. But on you. Said I wanna take the clothes off and go do it now. Do it now. I wanna lift your body up all the way down. All down. So I wanna press you till you go and feel what's there. What's there. Sometimes the people say I like you to lick up on my neck. On my neck. I said I wanna get freaky. I wanna get the freaky. Oh, with you. I'm talking about I wanna get a freaky with you. Do what I do. I said I wanna do some freaky stuff with you. Oh, with you. I'm talking about I'm freaky. I wanna get a freaky with you. Oh, with you. I wanna do it outside so the people see me put in work. In that work. I wanna see the people see you over there the morning on this world. On this world. Just a been you over tapping it and everybody say you on that world. On that world. Just a flipping you to over here, the eyes are grinding up and on this world. The on this world. I wanna get a freaky. Freaky, I'm freaking on you. Up on you. I wanna get freaky. Oh yes, I want your body next to who? Next to who? I wanna get freaky. The freaky when I said I wanted to. I wanted to. I said I'm getting freaky. Oh yes, I wanna do it just for you. Just for you. Said I wanna freak you like the 7 days a week up on my nine. On my nine. Then I wanna freak you every time I put your name up on my mind. On my mind. Then I wanna give you all the tours and data so we can get freaky. Get freaky. I wanna do that everything you like it so we get the freaky beat. The freaky beat. Said that when you freaky, I wanna get a freaky with you. With you. Talking about I'm freaky. I wanna do the freaky things to you. Straight to you. Then I wanna get the freaky. I wanna put you up on that swing today. Here today. So if you get it on that swing, you can't even run away from me. Away from me. I wanna get the freaky on your body and I wanna make your body come. Your body come. Oh yes, I'm getting freaky over here and the people say they want that fun. You want that fun. Talking about I'm freaky. Said I'm freaky. I said I'm freaky for you. For you. I'm talking about I'm freaky. I wanna do the freaky things to you. Send it to you. I'm talking about I'm freaking. The people saying I'm getting freaky for you. Stand up for you. I'm talking about we freaking. We freaking. You know that what we gon' do. What we gon' do. So I wanna record us. I will get our freedom. Freedom. I want to get you freaking and I want you to moan. You to moan. I wanna touch your body, wanna put you next to me. Next to me. I want you to feel all of me and you with this thing. With this thing. I'm talking about I'm freaking. Then I'm freaking next for you. The jet for you. I'm talking about I'm freaking. I'm freaking. I'm doing this for you. This for you. I'm talking about I'm freaking. I'm freaking. I sing this song for you. This song for you. I'm talking about I'm freaking. I'm freaking. I'm freaking jet for you. The jet for you. I said that I told you I wanna liquor on your body. Let's go, let's go. I wanna lick you cause you is a heartache. So I wanna lick you till you can't take no more. So I want you to call it in a photo for show. Just for show. I said that I'm freaky. I'm freaky. I'm freaky just for you. Just for you. Said I'm freaky. Oh freaky, yes I'm free for you. Just for you. Talking about I'm freaky. Said I'm freaky. This song is just for you. Just for you. I'm talking about I'm freaky. I'm freaky.